Hello, GBC Tech Training students. My name's Krista, and today we are here, remotely of course, with Geet, who is our Senior Technical Support Consultant for our programs. We're going to speak briefly about the recent changes that have been made to the way you access your GBC Tech Training program materials. The program material is no longer available on a USB. Rather, it's web-based, and you will now receive a link to download the curriculum material. Geet, what does this mean for students?
Thank you, Krista. Hello, everyone. Yes, program material is now offered as a web-based version, which is way more better than how it used to be offered in the past on an USB. There are many ways web-based version is superior, I would say better than the USB format. One of the main reason is once you register for the program, you can get started immediately. You don't have to wait for the USB to arrive to you by courier anymore. Once you register into the program, once we process the registration, you'll receive a link to download the software onto your computer by email. And once you install the software, that's it. You get started with the program right away.
Wow, that sounds really convenient. Can you explain the process to access the web-based curriculum?
Sure, it's pretty easy. There are actually two steps involved in accessing the web-based curriculum. First is to install the software onto your computer, obviously. And second is to unlock the software by requesting the release code. Let's take a look at the installation process first. To install the web-based curriculum onto your computer, you have to download the setup file. To download the setup file, you have to click on the link provided to you in the registration confirmation email. This email would be sent to you by the college once we process your registration. So please keep an eye on your inbox for the registration confirmation email. After you have downloaded the setup file, you would simply have to double click on it to begin the installation process. As you can see it on the screen right now, it's a very simple few steps installation process. All you have to do is follow on screen instructions. So you click on next, and then finish, and this would end the installation. Once you have the program, once you have the software installed successfully onto your computer, it will create shortcuts on your desktop. This installation process would not only install the curriculum part of the software, but it would also install the simulation software. So, and you will have shortcut for all of them on your desktop. And this is just a simple installation process. Next, we have to unlock the software before you can access it. So to unlock the program, you'll have to double click on the shortcut on your desktop. So let's double click on the robotics technician in this case, and in this example. When you double click on this one, it will open up a release code request window. As you can see it on the screen, you'll have to put in your username and password to request the release code. Again, the username and the password is provided in the registration confirmation email that you received from the college. So you can either copy paste it from that email into this window, or you can type it down. Once you put in your make sure you put in your full username and password and don't make any mistakes over here, because it is very important for us to match your username and password with the database on our end. Once we receive your request, we will send you an email with the release code. This email may take up to an hour for you to get it from the server. So please be patient. Do not request for the release code again, because re-requesting the release code is not gonna give you the release code faster. It would again take the same amount of time. Once you receive the email from the marking server with the release code, you just have to copy, it's a 16-digit release code, so you just have to copy the release code from that email, paste it into the same window that we're looking at right now, and then hit enter. As soon as you do that, it will unlock the software for you. This would not only unlock the course curriculum software, but it would also unlock all the simulation software that comes along with the program.
Great, thanks, Geet.
Yeah.
And what are the system requirements for the downloadable program? Have these changed at all?
Not really. I mean, the only system requirement that has changed, honestly, is that you will need access to internet to go through the course curriculum. Other than that, everything has stayed the same. you'll need a Windows-based PC, you'll need a 1 GB of RAM, as little as 250 MB of free disk space is more than enough to run our programs. One thing to note is our programs are strictly Windows-based, so they would not run on Mac OS or Linux or Chromebook or any such operating system.
And what if a student runs into problems during their downloading or installation of the software?
Oh, yes. Anytime you need help, anytime you need technical or tutorial support, please do not hesitate to contact our support center. There are many ways you can contact us. You can email us, you can give us a call at a toll-free number, or you can, we have a student support forum online where you can go and post your questions. So please do feel free to contact us if you need any help. We have a bunch of support people here who would help you with any kind of installation issue you're going through. There are many, sometimes if you're using your work computer, you may not have administrative privileges that could be causing an issue. If you're using, let's say you have some kind of antivirus program installed on your computer, it could be conflicting with our program and not allowing you to install properly on your system. So anything like this, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help you out.
Awesome. Thanks, Geet. This is some really great information. And if you'd like step-by-step written instructions for downloading and installing your program software, you can also check out our blog. There's a lot of really good details there, and it will guide you right through the process. So we're going to have the link available to you just below the blog or below the video here. And thanks for watching, and good luck with your program. We'll see you next time.
Thank you. Good luck, everyone. Bye.